So here we are, and you can see it's a pretty big balcony, but there isn't much in it yet. So I aim to basically cover the entire balcony with climbers, and what that will do is that it will provide a lot of greenery, and it will be a source of oxygen. And also, if we're lucky, it will give us a few homegrown vegetables, organic vegetables. The first step is to soak the seeds for 24 hours. So I've just used tap water, nothing special in that. So these are sponge gourd seeds. I've added 5 of them, and so the next seed that we're gonna use is the bottle gourd. Again, we'll take 5 of them. So after bottle gourd, we've got the bitter gourd, and again 5 seeds. And lastly, we've got cucumber. And we'll just leave them for like 24 hours like this, so the water, so that the seeds can absorb as much water as possible.